Hey cruisers, today's Amazon haul is extra fun because we are on the high seas. We are on Norwegian Bliss. It's the last day of our cruise, wah, wah, wah. And I'm sharing 20 things that I bought in preparation for this cruise. Number 8 is my absolute favorite, and number 20 I actually don't like. I'm not going to send it back. I'm going to donate it, but it was kind of a fail. So we have a little bit of tech, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of beauty, as usual with most of our hauls. Everything will be linked in the description below, pinned to the top of the comments for you for ease. If I mess up a link, which I tend to do on every single video, there's like some link that's wrong, just let me know in the comments and I will fix it for you. All right, you guys, you ready? You ready to see what I bought? Got 2 new pairs of headphones for this cruise. The first pair are an over-ear pair, like the nice noise canceling type that you can take on a flight with you. They are fantastic. They are so inexpensive compared it to some of the other fancy schmancy earphones that I have, but yet they have amazing battery life. They have 40 hours of battery life if you have the active noise canceling on them, and they have 50 hours of battery life if you turn off the active noise canceling. Really comfortable as well. I think that they are a strong competitor to the Bose Quiet Comfort. Next, number 2, my husband got some new earbuds. They also have noise canceling in them. They are also, he wanted me to tell you this, very important. They're also very bassy. So if you like a bassy sound, you're probably gonna love these. And you have to see this next feature, you guys. This thing has a little phone stand on it. The earphone case has a phone stand. So you can like prop up your phone right on there, which I think is really super clever. Next up, check out these adorable Apple Watch chargers. If you travel with an Apple Watch and you have like more than one of them in a cruise cabin, we always have 3. It's always like a battle for the charger. Who gets it first? And we were like getting a little tired of battling for the charger. So we decided to get 3 of these in different colors. These are wonderful for charging overnight. And here's what I love. They can be used with either a USB-C cable or a lightning cable. So whichever type of cable that you have, you're good to go. They are compatible with both. So if you have an older iPhone with cables that have lightning on them, you can put those to use with this. And I think they're great. And I love my pink one. I know it's mine when it's sitting on the dresser. If you watched our Pack With Me video, which was a lot of fun, by the way, I told you guys about a new set of packing cubes that I bought. This is a set of 6 floral packing cubes. They turned out to be an excellent set for me. It's actually like 4 packing cubes plus a shoe bag, plus like a little laundry sack that folds down, but they are lightweight, they're compression, and they are even more beautiful in real life than I had thought they were going to be. The second set of packing cubes that I got, I'm calling my States packing cubes because they have like these little scenes on them, like little state scenes. And I think they're just so fun and lively. Now, I like them, but they're a little thicker than the floral cubes. There's nothing wrong with that. It just is the way that it is. I mean, they're just a little tiny bit more substantial. They're not like an ultra lightweight packing cube, but they are beautiful. And I think if you like a little bit of state nostalgia, you're probably gonna love those. Next up, I got this gorgeous new purse. It has been so versatile for me on this cruise. I have been wearing it in more dressy scenarios at night. I've been wearing it during the day when I go out for my morning coffee run and I just throw on like a hoodie and a pair of jean shorts. It looks really cute, has a good amount of space on the inside, and it's working out really, really well for me. I highly recommend it, and you can get it in a variety of different colors. Next, I have this pretty new pill case. Actually ran out of space in my old pill case, so I wanted to get one that had some bigger compartments. This one has a big old compartment. And some of us have pills that for some reason, they're like giant. You know those horse pill types of things that you end up having to take and you're like, oh, the pill cases are such a struggle because you can't fit the larger pills in them. So this one's really nice. I just used my home label maker to make some labels for this one, and it worked out really well. It's also good if you need to pack large quantities of something. This next item, number 8, is my absolute favorite thing that I'm going to feature in this video. And I don't know what I did with it. Oh, there it is. Let me go get it. Hold on. Okay, here it is. You guys, this is a multi-pack of the coolest little, they're like Ziploc pouches. You have this little wristlet that you thread through them, and they're super nice and thin, but they're TSA compliant. I have used every single one of these. I think you can get them in packs of 4 and maybe even 8, but I have got wipes in them. I have germ fighters in them. I have medications in them. One of them is like Band-Aids and first aid. So many good uses for these, and I just can't get enough of them. Highly recommend, especially if you like to be able to see through your pouches. I had a little problem before this cruise, and that is that my toiletry bag that I used to love and show you guys all the time, they discontinued it on Amazon. And I think toiletry bags are absolutely essential for packing all of your little bathroom types of stuff in. So I bought a new one. I've been hearing a lot about it. And I was like, is this worth the hype? Is this thing worth the hype? So I bought it. It's 39 bucks when I bought it. Maybe it'll go on sale during Amazon's big sale period that I think, by the way, is probably happening right when this video is airing. It has so many different components to it. It has this really lightweight pouch that's the main compartment. It hangs right on your cruise ship door or towel bar, whatever you can do. Then it comes with a full-size TSA liquids pouch and another little detachable pouch and a slim packing cube. There's a lot going on with this one, and I think it is absolutely perfect for anybody who likes a little bit more minimalist toiletry bag. It's not going to be good for those really large bottles of shampoo, but if you use travel sizes, you're going to be just fine. I also got several new Amazon dresses for this cruise. This pink Lily Pulitzer looking, kind of inspired dress has been one of my favorites, and it comes in so many different colors. I'm wearing it in a medium. Great for shore days, but wear it with bike shorts underneath because the wind will get you. Next, this aqua dress that I'm wearing right now. So cute. Love it. I'm wearing it in a small medium. I bought the large, extra large, because I thought, oh, it's really, tiny. You don't want to do that. You want to make sure you go with your smaller size. It's very wide. There's a lot of fabric in it, but it also runs extremely short. So if you're a bit taller, you might want to plan again on wearing it with some shorts underneath it or something. It's almost like a tunic short, but I love it. And I've been getting a lot of wear out of it. And you guys, it's cotton. It's so nice to be able to find something on Amazon that's made of cotton. So I'm really stoked about it. This next one, this multicolor dress runs a little bit big. I bought one in a medium and I like it, but I also bought it in a small and I like it better, even though small is not my normal size. I love the stretchy fabric and it goes well with just about any kind of shoe or purse you could imagine. You wear it with sneakers, sandals, just absolutely anything. Next up, I saw a deal on Amazon on these Lee jeans. They were like a little bit of a wider leg, super cute, and they come in extended sizing for petites, for plus, and for tall. And I thought I'm going to give them a try in my usual size. I paid $23 for these Lee jeans, and I absolutely love them. And I also love the size availability. This cute short and top outfit that I'm showing on the screen right now has been a go-to. I've gotten so many compliments on this cruise on both the moss colored shorts and the floral top. Again, you can get either of them in different colors and prints, but it is such a terrific cruise outfit. And you can wear the shorts either cuffed or uncuffed. I never thought I'd be telling you guys that I was going to buy myself some purse tassels, but I did. I bought these cute purse tassels and I stuck them on my backpack on the flight over. They're in no way practical. They're super cute though, and they're just a fun little accessory for a beach bag, a purse, a backpack, just about anything you could possibly want. Some of you may remember my beautiful leaf hamper that I had for years. It's like this tropical hamper. I loved it so much. It bit the dust on my last cruise, so I bought a new one, a new expandable pop-up hamper, and it's brown. And I'm like kind of wishing I hadn't bought the brown. I thought it would just be nice neutral, but I think I should have got something like maybe white or something a little more cheerful because it's kind of bringing me down, but it's very practical. And I've been using it on this cruise and it has worked out just fantastically. Everybody needs a pop-up hamper on a cruise. It's such a nice thing to have. I also got me some new PJs. These adorable cherry pajamas are ultra soft and comfy. They are a short set, cute little lining around the bottom of the short, and I'm wearing these in a large. I always size up in my jammies. I do have one item that's not from Amazon in this video, and it is this gorgeous dress from Loft. I love shopping at Loft. And sometimes I'll just go to the store and try things on. And when I find something, I always try to share it with you guys on my LTK. So I'm going to link to that and my LTK down below so you can check it out. But I think it's so pretty. It has kind of 20s vibes and it fit me really well. And I'm very happy with it. I almost forgot to pack a sweater on this cruise, but at the very last minute, I grabbed this off-white one with kind of goldish buttons. It's very reasonable on Amazon. It is true to size and it's soft and cozy. I packed it in my flight bag because I knew the airplane was going to be really cold, and I did end up wearing it on the flight. And I also wore it a lot for my morning coffee runs. Now here's that last item that was a fail for me. This one just did not deliver. It is a new crossbody purse that I got, and there's only one thing I don't like about it. It is that you cannot adjust the strap from side to side. So what was happening for me is I would have to wear it this way or across the other shoulder, but I actually wear I like to wear my purses the other way. So I guess maybe I'm like a lefty with my purse. Can anybody relate to this? But I did not like the way that it felt. Size is perfect. The color is really cute. I'm going to link to it. I just like my purses to have a thing where you can move this back strap from one side to another. And I guess I realized that about myself, but it's still a good flight bag. And I think I might actually I might use it on my flight home tomorrow just for practical purposes. Okay, so what was your favorite item? Let me know down in the comments and tell me what types of Amazon things you want me to review in the future. Check out all those links. Let me know if I missed anything. And thanks for watching, friends. Until next time, see you on the high seas. Bye-bye.